Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered kernel power critical error, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is to update Windows. So right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we'll go to Windows Update. Click on check for updates. While that is running, click on advanced options, optional updates, and update and install any driver updates here. The next thing we'll do is we'll disable the fast startup. So for that we'll press the Windows and the R button, and we will enter the line power cfg.cpl and press enter. Now we will click on choose what the power buttons do and click on change settings that are unavailable. Now we will uncheck this box, turn on fast startup, and then we will also run our memory diagnostic scan. For that we need to again open the run dialog, clicking the Windows and the R key together, and we will input the command mdsched and click on enter. Now we'll click on restart now and check for problems, and this should fix the error folks. But if in the 1%, 99% the error should be fixed, but the 1% if it doesn't work, then we need to check whether our components are connected properly. That could include your hard disk if it's connected properly, your SSD or your HDD, if your RAM is connected properly, and we need to check if all those are connected properly to the motherboard. For that, if you're not able to check it, then I best suggest that you contact a hardware technician and he will be able to resolve this issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.